another video. As you can see, it's you know how like people say spin a fidget spinner at 3 a.m. So right now it is 3 a.m. It's officially 3 a.m. So yeah, spin this fidget spinner. There's no editing in this video. So yeah, there's no editing in this video. So people are sleeping. Sorry for the noises. I'm pretty sure nothing's gonna happen. It's 3 a.m. Dark outside. So yeah, nothing's happening. It's scary. Think. What about I'll spin three fidget spinners. Alright. Alright, so we're all spinning half the fidget spinners. So yeah, nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Yeah. Nothing happened. So nothing happened. I spin that. So like nothing's happening. And it's right here. I see things spinning. This is my hand. So yeah. These fidget spinners, I'll be giving them away. So yeah. Like this video. Everybody like it right now. So yeah. It's 3 a.m. Nothing's happening. So there's no editing or anything like that. I think it's fake. It's 3 a.m. It's officially 3 a.m. Yeah, it's 3 a.m. It's 3 a.m. Let me show you this. 3 a.m. You don't believe me? Well, it's not 3 a.m. I've been doing this for about 7 minutes. See, right there, it's officially 3 a.m. Yeah, so it's 3 a.m. Alright. Thanks for watching this video. I'm sorry, it's zoomed in. Sorry. Yeah, zoomed in right now. Yeah, so nothing happened. Sorry for you smelling and stuff. It's actually 3 a.m. Yeah, bye, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Remember, fidget spinner giveaway. It's free. The first person that likes it and comments down below if you like it. Say that. Or say fidget spinner. So yeah, this one's going to card. This one is. That's why it's more than even though there's a light right here. So yeah, bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Bye everybody.